And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, Upasna here. Welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Upasna. I make videos related to Korea like K-pop songs, cover, dance cover, reaction video, food and vlogs. So guys, today Card released their new songs Gunshot. Actually, I literally waiting for this song and I saw the teaser, and as always their song is look so like hot and so dark theme and badass type of vibe, and which I love the most. And obviously I love their previous comebacks like Dumb Litty and Red Moon. I also make dance cover and reaction video on it. I will put a link in the description box. After this video you can go and check the videos. And before we get started, please subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. So now let's start. Okay. Gunshot. Okay. What is that? Like, it's look like a body. I don't know. Okay, so this is the lens camera, like monitoring room or something. Continuous checking on them, but why are they wounded? Wow, their outfits and obviously the facial expressions. Oh my god. Is this like their body here, physical body is here, but they are mentally somewhere else? Maybe. BM. BM actually my bias in this card, and obviously he looks so, you know what I mean. Wow, so hot. Oh my god. Why he looks so handsome even he have scars on his face? What type of thing is this? Like, he is wounded but still sexy. I love her hair. Wow. Oh my god, her facial is so aggressive, and obviously this song is, I think it's look like they're feeling the pain of the other, like their mind or something, because they are physically somewhere but they are mentally somewhere else. So they are facing their fears or something, or I don't know, but they are in pain, so that's why the scars appear on their faces. I really love the tiara. Wow. And obviously their chorus part is always strong and their choreography is always good. So I don't want to say about their choreography and songs. So they are so always powerful songs. Ah! Oh my god. BM. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ah! Wow. This, like, his rap, always love his rap also, because oh my god. But this song, like, I think behind there are many theories, storyline obviously, which I don't know. My god, so powerful rap, and obviously I already love this song, and this is giving me so dark vibe. Is this their alter ego, or their other half, other self, the dark side, they are fighting with this. Or their fears. She looks like Harley Quinn with this one smashing all the things and these two ponytails. She looks like Harley Quinn. And this facial expression, oh my god. That pencil can kill someone. Oh my god. Is this new type of mask? Most fashionable mask with these chains. Ah! Okay, it's look like they're like destroying everything, but this is impact physically on their body, physical body, I think. But it's like their mind, and it's maybe the conflict between mind and body. That's, oh my god. And obviously this dance steps of okay, so is there other self or whatever this is, they can see them. Okay, so they can see them suffering but still doing the same thing. So I don't know what is it means. Are they trying to kill them? Are they like same people, or I don't know, because they're trying to, obviously they are trying to kill them and they are in pain. They can see them but still hurt them. Oh my god, this part. This is so intense, so intense. Ah! She just cut her hair, oh my god. That looks, oh my god, this whole diamond gold chain, I really love that type of, oh my god, this is so sexy. Oh, is this finished? Is this like the both are dead or something? Oh no, there are two people. What happening? Okay, I didn't expect that. Like, two people are the same people, or they're like other half, the good and bad? Are you going to kill yourself with this gun? She just shoot her like that, like herself, shoot like that. If this is like her other self, then she also died, like. But no, okay, she's okay. I think this is a bad thing in them, which they want to dominate. OMG, so this is the dead body. Okay, guns out. Now it's finished. Okay, now it's finished. Wow, the song is so intense, especially the last part, because there is lots of thing going on, because at last, like in the beginning, we can see the dead body, and obviously in the end we came to know whose dead body is that and all. But I still confused, is there alter ego, is it their clone, or their like good and bad thing? because conflict between mind and body, because they are physically affected by them, because and they can't do anything, because I think all in their head. And finally they overcome the fear and kill all the bad thing, the fear, the anxiety, the depression, all. I think this is the main thing. I don't know, I think this is the message they want to give. But obviously the song is so intense and I love the song, and obviously their choreography, and they look so gorgeous. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this type of more video, then you can subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye.